Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can add texture in Photopea. So before starting, make sure that you already have your texture file. It can be paper, fabric, or whatever, and then your base image. So first, you will have to open your open file and then click open and place. And then what you will have to do is, of course, choose your texture and then place it on the top of the layer that you would want to texture, and then yeah, that's it. And then what you will have to do is click edit and then click free transform, and then you will change the textures layers blend mode to for example, okay, so first you will have to um click double click it so that you will be able to change the blend mode. And then what you will have to do now is set it to either overlay soft light or whatever you want depending on the look. So yeah, you will also lower the opacity to taste, and then you will apply the texture only to text or a shape, and then you will right click the texture layer, and then you will choose create clipping mask so that it only shows inside the layer below. So yeah, that's basically it. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.